Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this King Art easel. It is a travel easel, so you can like fold it up and it's got a handle. It's like a briefcase almost. There's also a drawer, but we will get to that towards the last half of the video. So right now I am just going to be testing the product out by making this painting. So this is me sketching onto it. And as I'm using the product, I can tell that it's very sturdy, like it's not wobbling around a lot at all. So for the painting, I decided to do a person, kind of like a side profile view. I'm doing a girl, and I'm gonna do like bright colors, I think. So here's me doing the shading on the other half of the face and body. And I'm doing white for the hair just so I can make it a brighter color later. Oh, I didn't see you there. So at least 99% of my subscribers are not subscribed to me. So if you'd like to subscribe, please go down below, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to stay in the know, please hit that bell too. I would greatly appreciate it if you leave likes on all my videos, comments on what you think about them. Great, now I can't get this out. Great. Are you serious right now, bro? Okay, so now I'm adding this neon green to the hair, and ultimately I scrapped that whole thing because I did not like how bright it was. So I'm going with a purple, kind of a dark purple. It looked a lot more subtle. So now I'm drawing in these like stalks for like lavender flowers. Ultimately, I'm drawing the flowers here because it's easier and I didn't really have to draw the face, to be honest. But I honestly love the style, and I added a shadow to it in this shot. So that's the final piece, and now we will get on into the review of this product. By the way, I am not sponsored by this product. Okay, so this is the King Art wooden table easel with drawer, espresso color. It's a decent sized drawer. It does hold all those things. It was $15.99 at my local Ross, so it's at least $4 cheaper than retail. And this is the back of the box. So we're just gonna get right into this. Open up the box. And as I said at the beginning, I kind of wanted to show it, me using it off to kind of like, you know, y'all not get too bored at first if I'm just reviewing something and then not see me do the painting at the end because the first part was boring. So if you want to skip this part, you can. But if you are an artist or if you want to look into art, I would suggest watching this part because this product is actually really amazing. So there's these little latches on both sides. These latches, that latch lifts up the easel part of it. And there are at least, I think, 4 different settings. 4 different settings to be higher or lower depending on what you're working on or where you're working at. And you can just lock it right back up. It's really easy. There's this handle on the side, so it's very travelable, if that's a word. And it's just overall it's built very nice. So see, this is from the front view. You can just lift it up. You can put a canvas on there. It fits pretty much any canvas because there's no side pieces. This is the drawer at the bottom. You can also lock and unlock it. It stores your brushes and I think smaller paints and stuff like that. So it's very easy. I'm showing you how fast it is just to fold it all up and lock it. It literally takes less than a minute. Very travelable. So here's another shot of the latches for the drawer to unlock that. And the drawer, it's honestly pretty nice. There's some spaces that are kind of like rough on the edges, but it fits your brush, your foam brushes. I tried to fit Mod Podge and like these paints that I have, and as you can see, it doesn't fit those at all. Won't close. But I think it's supposed to fit these kind of paints, these little like tubes. but you can get those pretty cheap somewhere too. It's great for traveling, like I said. And it's a very sturdy product. Like when I got it, I didn't think it'd be like, I thought it'd kind of wobble a lot, but it's really good. The only thing that I might change about it is the bottom. I might add some little rubber pieces that like just kind of tape on the bottom so that it doesn't move around on the table. So it kind of like grips to the table. But this is the easel that it comes with, which I did use for the painting, but I don't think I'll use it again because I can't really clean it off because it's wooden. And now I'm showing you basically, it's like a medium-sized canvas. It's, like I said, it's sturdy. Fits on very nice. Here's like a smaller canvas like I used in the video at the beginning. This one fits pretty decently. It doesn't move, as I showed you. Here's a giant canvas just to show you. That's like a, I can't remember what size canvas that is, but it's a pretty big canvas, as you can see, compared to my hand. And it fits on there good, and it's not wobbly or nothing. So I love the levels that you can adjust it to depending on how high you are on your desk. And overall, it's a great product. As I said before, I'm not sponsored by King Art, but if you'd like to, hit me in the DM. No, I was kidding. But this product is amazing, and I just want to thank y'all for watching this, and stay tuned for more every Wednesday. I appreciate all of you. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.